everyone! Oh, what's that? What are these boys doing near that mango tree? Just look, they are throwing stones to get the mangoes. But the tree is really tall. Do any of the stones make it to that height? I don't think so. What if they make use of the slingshot? Oh yes, then it would be really easy. But have you ever thought how a slingshot can project the stone that far and that fast? Let's see the science behind it. Take a look at some simple activities first. Now, if you hold a rubber band in one hand and stretch it with other hand, and now release the rubber band from the other end, what do you observe? You can see that the rubber band returns back to its original shape. Now, what makes the rubber band return to its original shape? The reason behind this is that the band acquires energy when you stretch it that causes the rubber band to return to its original shape. In the similar manner, you might have noticed that when you wind the key of a toy car and place it on the ground, the toy car starts to move. Now we know that for moving, energy is required. So from where does the car get the energy? Let us understand this. The simple reason behind this is that objects stores energy from the work done on them. But what if the object does not use this energy? Then in that case, this energy is stored by the object in the form of potential energy. Now, when you stretch the rubber band or wind up the key of the toy car, you are simply transferring the energy. This means that the work done in stretching the rubber band is stored in the rubber band as potential energy or the stored energy. Similarly, on winding up the key in the toy car, the spring inside compresses. So, the work done in compressing the spring is eventually stored in the toy car as the potential energy. The same way, when you stretch the rubber strip of the slingshot carrying a stone, the work done by you in stretching it is stored in the stone as potential energy. When you release the stretched rubber by making use of this stored potential energy, the stone is propelled with high velocity and reaches far away. Thus, potential energy is the energy stored by an object on account of its position. Note that when the stone is released from the slingshot, the potential energy stored in the stone is transformed into kinetic energy. I hope you have understood the topic. Can you think of more such examples where we can make use of potential energy?